Paglabas ninyo po is guardhouse na at ito ang iyong mga kapitbahay. This is a ready for occupancy unit with 4 rooms with 3 toilet and bath, a single detached house, and situated near the gate. What's this? Good morning everyone, maimbuntag ka rin yung tanan. Buenos dias, amigo amiga all over the world. At kayo po ay nanonood nitong aking video ngayon na ready for occupancy house, which is Daniela Model Unit dito po sa Antel Grand Village. Well, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel at hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe para po ma-update tayo sa lahat ng ating mga latest upload dito po sa ating mga for sale properties and future development dito po sa Cavite near Manila. Well, for today's video, so I am featuring you this ready for occupancy house, Daniela Model, with a lot area of 140 square meters and with a floor area of 130.35 square meters. So it has 4 rooms, a car garage, and this house is ready for occupancy and this unit is now for sale. Right? Samahan niyo po ako. No, tingnan po natin itong ready for occupancy Daniela Model, which is now for sale. Right, so this house po with a lot area of 140 square meters at makikita niyo po na sa kanyang harapan meron siyang 3 meters pa na setback, which is intended for garden, and i-refurbish po natin yung unit na ito. At bago namin po ito turn over yung house na ito po, rest assured na the house is livable in a good condition. Alright, so upon entering the house, meron kayong porch area which is ito, and dito po sa isang gilid ng house meron kang 2 meters dito na setback, which is later on pwede siyang lagyan ng fence para magiging double yung wall, and pwede siyang lagyan ng bubong para hindi kayo mababasa. And dito sa likod ng bahay meron kang 2 meters again na setback, which is intended for your service area. So dito sa likod. So tingnan niyo po yung ating bahay. This house is ready for occupancy at konting retouch, refurbish para po mas maayos siyang tingnan. Check din natin dito sa kabilang side. Pero ito yung paligid niyo po dito sa Antel Grand Village, no? Then ito na yung pinaka house. Wow. The house is good. And malaki, no? Ang kanyang lote 140. Tapos near the gate. Alright, no? Samahan niyo po ako, guys. Pasukin natin sa loob. Welcome to your new house. Alright, so this is the ground floor area ng Daniela Model, which is ready for occupancy. Makikita niyo po na yung ating pinaka flooring is naka granite tiles. So this is a 60 by 60 tiles. And meron kayong L-shape yung ating pinaka countertop, and we have it has a built-in cabinets. And look at the countertop, granite po, no? Kulay black with cabinet dito sa ilalim. And of course, dito sa area na to, ito yung pinaka gas range. Okay, kung ano po nakikita niyo po dito sa picture, yan yung magiging actual turnover natin. But before natin ito turn over yung house na ito sa inyo po, meron tayong tinatawag na refurbish. So in terms naman sa outlets, no, meron tayong mga outlet dito sa gilid. So may mga sockets, may telephone, and for internet. And of course, what makes this different, no? The house is parang true house siya at ang ganda. Kasi mas lessen lang yung magagamit ninyong kuryente. No? Kasi po maliwanag yung house natin. So this is a power saver house, which is makakatipid kayo, guys, sa kuryente. And of course, dito po sa ibaba, meron kayong isang room, no? This one is a room. So pwede siyang gawing maid's quarters room. or office nyo po. So, ang maganda dito, ang lapad ng iyong living area and then yung iyong dining area, malapad siya. And dito po sa ibaba, meron ka rin isang common CR, which is this one. Wow. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng ready for occupancy, ito na po yun siya, guys. So, samahan niyo po ako. Ang maganda dito sa bahay na ito, dahil ready for occupancy, hindi na kayo mag-aantay kung kailan pa po gagawin yung house. So, bigyan nyo lang kami mga 2 months. Kasi this house po is pwede siyang cash, pwede siyang defer, and pwede siyang bank financing. So, kapag bank financing po, 20% lang yung down payment nito. Then, with letter of guarantee and loan proceeds from the bank, then, schedule tayo ng punch listing. So, ang total contract price ng house na ito is nasa 10 million po siya. Okay, so bilangin natin yung hagdanan natin, guys, no? Oro, plata, mata. Pero maganda po yung ating hagdanan. This is a wood plank. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro, plata, mata. Oro. Wow. The house is pampaswerte. This one is nice. Gold. And tingnan niyo po dito, guys, no po, pinaka landing area and yung pinaka stairway area niyo po. And napakaganda dito lagyan ng chandelier, no, dito sa area na ito, guys. And of course, meron siyang malaking bintana. Ayan. Okay. So, dito po sa itaas, meron kang 3 rooms. So, this is the 1 room. Well, makikita nyo po ano yung ating mga bintana, ang lalaki. Ayan. Meron kang outlet. At meron kang built-in cabinet. Ayan siya, guys. Check natin po, no? At least meron kayong rack. Ganda. So, kung naghahanap kayo po ng ready for occupancy, so this one is for sale. At hindi na kayo mahihirapan pa kung mag-antay kung kailan gagawin yung bahay. Kasi we have a pre-selling property na ang construction po after the down payment. So, ito po, gawa na siya. Konting retouch and refurbish. And let's check the second room. Okay, so malaki din yung second room. Ayan, ang laki din. So, the same, the house po ay meron kang 6 na ventilation. And of course, meron din siyang built-in cabinet. Wow. Ang maganda dito, guys, sa bahay nito is mataas ang kisame. So, hindi ka sikip, hindi sakal. At masarap siyang tingnan, malamig. Alright? Then dito sa itaas, meron kang common CR, no, for this 2 room. So this is the bedroom 1, then the bedroom 2, and this is the common CR sa itaas. Look at this. So even the fixtures is kompleto na siya. Ayan siya, guys. Wow. Okay, so malaki, no? At saka pag maliligo kayo, guys, naka-ilalim yung pinaka-shower area. Tingnan nyo po. No, naka-anak siya. Okay. Okay, samahan niyo po ako dito tayo sa master's bedroom. So, welcome to the master's bedroom. So, this is the master's bedroom. This is more spacious and more wider. And of course, dito sa master's bedroom, guys, napakadami niyang mga sockets, outlets, and switches that later on, pag may nandito na kayo nakatira, pwede nyo siya, marami kayong masasaksakan ng inyo pong mga appliances. And of course, ang maganda talaga dito sa master's bedroom, lagi na lang po master's bedroom maganda kasi meron talaga siyang built-in cabinet. And of course, meron siyang sariling CR. Look at this. Ayan. Pa? Alright. So the house is nice and perfect. And aside from the master's toilet and bath sa master's bedroom, meron ka pang, look at this, this is very special. This one is the balcony. Wow. Tsaka ang lamig yun, oh guys, oh. Mahangin ngayon dito sa Antel Grand Village. And this is your balcony po. Ayan. Nakikita nyo po. At saka paglabas nyo, ayan, gate na siya. Guardhouse na po dyan guys paglabas nyo. And meron ka dito ang isang magandang trellis area, which is maganda po to gawing slab para later on magagamit mo siya guys. And of course, ang maganda po dito sa Antel Grand is our location. No? The location of this property is just 15 to 20 minutes driving away, going to Naiya via Cavitex. No? Yan po is tested namin at lagi na namin siyang ginagawa. And of course, mostly po sa mga taga Antel Grand Village, nagtatrabaho sa Taguig, sa Makati, pero majority dito po mga abroad lahat. Mga foreigners. So that's why this video po, at nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo dahil sinusubaybayan nyo talaga yung ating video na ito. At least kahit nasa abroad kayo, makikita nyo pa rin yung ating progress dito po sa inyo pong village. And of course, may mga properties tayo dito na mga for sale, which is makikita nyo naman, no, kung mako-compare nyo po yung price nito before and today. Kaya po, sa gusto mag-invest ng property dito sa Antel Grand Village, this is a real estate property. Napakadami mong bundle of rights, napakadami mong pwedeng gawin dito sa property mo. And of course, pag ayaw mo na, pwede mo rin siyang ibenta. So at least, yung pera mo, investment mo nandun pa rin. Alright, so if you are interested with this unit po, so the total contract price of this is 10 million plus. And if you are going to pay this unit through cash, so the developer will give you 10% discount on the lot plus 5% discount on the house. Alright, so maraming salamat po, at kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. God bless us all.